Hello party people. I am back here today. I'm gonna try something new. What I'm gonna try is turning these super cheap, and I mean, like, I got these at the dollar store, so I spent a total of $5 on these cutting boards. They are textured, they're pretty thin, so they're not super awesome or anything, but you can pour on them. So what I'm going to do is just pour like half of it so that the rest of it is a cutting or serving surface. I'm going to do a few of these. So we're just going to see how it goes. I don't know how well or how poorly it'll work, but it should be fun and it'll be a learning experience regardless. So I think for the first one, we'll start with blue. It's kind of a dark blue. And some kind of light blue. Hi, Harriet. That's my little dog helper. And then this gold, which looks kind of muddy until it dries, and then it turns sparkly. And a little bit of this magenta. All right, let's see how it goes. Oh, she found a squeaky ball in the garage. What a lucky girl. Already it looks kind of pretty. There. Kind of like that. I'm going to take the torch to it because I did see some air bubbles. So I want to make sure all those are popped so it'll dry nicely. Maybe get some cells happening. We'll see. That looks nice. I like that. And I'm going to take this paper towel and set it aside in a moment because it has some cool looking patterns. But I did get some paint on the back of this, so I'm gonna and on the back there. So yes, this will be more of a decorative piece, I think, than a functional piece. I'm just gonna do some more tilting. Got those nice colors and edges. All right, I'm going to set this one out to dry. Harriet, get out of there, baby. She's into everything. Oh, right, I was going to set this aside because I like to make jewelry out of my skins, and I think that will be very pretty once it dries. And since we're only pouring on a little bit of it, I don't think I'll get, oh yeah, I do need to get out a whole other paper towel to put down because this other older one has some paint on it, so I do that. All right, what colors should we do for this one? Let's go with, oh, I'm almost out of this green. I'm gonna have to mix some more. That's all right. Whoops. Some green. Maybe a little bit of orange. This is an old orange I mixed. There is a little silicone in it, so that should make it a little interesting. Do some black and some of this red. It's kind of a darker red, and just some of this turquoise. Okay, here we go. Whoops. Clean up here on aisle 5. And we'll tilt it down over some of that. Tilt it this way. Wow, I'm not a fan of this color combination. It's the orange. You have to find the right thing for it to mix, and usually the only color that looks good with the orange is that dark blue that I used on the last one. But that's just my opinion, and you know what they say, everybody's got an opinion. And a certain body part. So I will refrain from being a certain body part and not judge my artwork because somebody might like it. There we go. There's another cutting board. Started off as worth $1. It's got to be worth at least like $1.25 now. And wow, these skins are turning out cool. I'll have to set that one aside too, to use for jewelry. Harriet, stop destroying the garage. She's having a really good time though. All right. What are we gonna do for this one? I think for this one, we're gonna do magenta. And I'm just reusing cups because I don't really care if there's color contamination. Harriet, stop destroying the garage. Harriet's my puppy, if I didn't mention that before. She's a 2-year-old husky puppy, almost 2. And I've been assured that the brain fairy will arrive when she reaches 2 years old. I'm still really depending on that. And some glue. Let's add some True Red. I call it True Red because I have kind of an orangey red also. And a little touch of dark purple. Okay, here we go. Getting lots of cells on this one, I like it. Let's pop the air bubbles. And I'm being really quick with the torch because I don't want to burn the plastic of the cutting board. I like this one. Yeah, I'm liking how that's turning out. There's another one. 3 down, 2 to go. And again, these skins are just incredible. I'm loving them. Love, love, love. And there's more paper towel that I can use, so we're not being as wasteful. All right, should we do a black and white one? That could be fun. Here's a cup from a black and white pour I did. I just had some silver in there. And again, I don't care about color contamination. Black and white. I've got a clog in the nozzle of this. That sounds filthy. Got a clog in the nozzle, dear Henry, dear Henry. Got a clog in the nozzle, dear Henry. Got a clog. So I'll just open up the bottle and pour it in. And then we'll do another layer of black. And both the black and the white are mixed with Floetrol. Actually, all my colors are. So I mix just about all my colors with a 50-50% mix of paint and Floetrol. All right. I can already tell I'm gonna like this one. That's a lot of paint, so I wonder if I should tilt it onto the other one too. I'll just do another black and white pour. Yeah, I'll just do this. That looks nice. I like that. Except I did get a couple of little drops right here. I can get those off with a razor later too if I need to. There. Nice. All right, let me set that one over to dry. And then this one we've already got to start. I really like how that looks. So we'll do some more black, some more white. And I think I'll add a little bit more. I think I'll add a little bit of this light blue. And we'll just kind of sprinkle it around the areas that need a little bit more paint. There we go. Of course, I've got a little droppy right there. A little droppy right there. And of course, I just got it on the back. That's all right. I'll clean these up with a razor blade later. That one might be my favorite. And I know somebody who watches these videos and who has a husky named Riley Roo, who has blue eyes, might like this one because it's his favorite colors, black and white, and what we like to call Riley Roo blue because his eyes were this amazing light blue when he was just a baby. I'm gonna tilt it just a little bit more. Wipe off the back. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And that's all I have for you today. Oh man, I just messed this one up. I just touched it with the edge of another board. So I'm gonna tilt this over to the side. We're just gonna cover up the mistake. And drip it down. Okay, now I'm gonna be more careful with it. See if we can get it back more toward the center. All right, that's good enough. So there you go. There's one way to do some very cheap cutting boards. All right, enjoy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to. Bye.